Hello guys and welcome back to another amazing episode on DashCam channel. And we'll start today's episode off with a rude driver who totally disregarded the stop sign and almost caused an accident. In this video, you will see a Karen who tries to cause trouble on the road. She first cut the camera off and then started brake checking him at the traffic lights. Even though the light turned green, she was still in a standstill, got out of her car and pointed at her bumper as if the camera hit it. Semi-truck driver thinks that by driving a huge vehicle, it gives him the right of way and the freedom to do whatever he pleases on the road, but that's not how traffic's supposed to work. Icy roads are dangerous for drivers as they are themselves, and if you add some reckless drivers on them as well, such as in this situation as a driver who ran a red light, oh boy, the situation can escalate really fast. In this video, the biker was making a turn from a turning lane, and as a result, he got rear-ended by a Karen. She tried to justify her actions by saying that the camera was actually not in a turning lane. This video is yet another proof of how dangerous icy and wet roads can be for drivers, especially if you have bad tires. It doesn't necessarily have to mean that the camera had bad tires, but he spun out like it was nothing. I don't know if the driver in front of the camera purposely tried to behave so recklessly on the road, or he simply lost control of his vehicle due to poor road conditions because of the rain. Either way, it was bad for him because a cop was right there and he saw his little stunt.
Oh my gosh.
Yep.
Turned the corner too fast.
He was definitely going pretty crazy.
Oh.
Nice. And now he's gonna.
Yeah.
Wow. Not drive for conditions. compilation. That was pretty crazy.
I did not know that guy was
I didn't either.
behind him.
Pay close attention at the fourth driver in a pickup truck. He was entering this driveway just so he could make a turn. But all in all, what did the mailbox do wrong for him? We don't know how the driver managed to end up on a guardrail with his car, but if we had to take a guess, we'd say slippery road or black ice.
Two more people in the room, so if you're expecting maybe Jake Van Henderson to come back,
Really, to me, it's all down. Like I said, kind of with the red zone offense on offense, I would say that the run defense.
concessions and get hot dogs and whatnot, just for them to have a big run play for a touchdown coming right out of the breakaway.
Yeah, the blocks worked greatly. Joel made a really nice block coming across.
This head-on collision came as a result of a heated road rage. Please guys, refrain from road raging because it's never worth the risk.
Only been dating for 2 weeks. Yay! Hey, I got one for my DashCam. Another douchebag.
EH95638.
Cammer came head-to-head with a crazy driver who blended in behind the cement truck driver, and once he tried to overtake him, both him and the cammer found himself in a bad spot. They even tried to swerve to the right at the same time as well. And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Core on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and maybe learning something valuable out of all the mistakes you saw. After all, that would make us really proud. If you really like this type of content, make sure to leave a like because it would motivate us to put fresh more content for you guys. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest episodes we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe out on these crazy roads.